Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. Today we are going to start task of 1000 picture book slot 2, day 1 and day 2. We will learn some pictures or recognize some pictures on page number 10, first half. So open your 1000 picture book, page number 10, and our topic is things we wear. We will learn the names of things which we wear. So let's start. Look at the first picture. What is it? It's a pagdi. And pagdi is a part of boys' clothes. Boys wear pagdi over their heads. So what is it? Pagdi. Look at the first picture. What is it? Pagdi. Look at the next picture. What is it? Collar. As boys wear collar shirts, the collar is around the neck. So boys wear collar shirt. It is the collar. The blue part of this shirt is called collar, and collar is around the neck. What is it? Collar. Come to the next picture. What is it? Cuff. Cuff is the ending part of your sleeves or the folded band at the beginning or at the end of your sleeve. It is called cuff, or sometimes it is button up with some different studs or buttons. It is called cuff. What is it? Ending part of your sleeve is called cuff. Now look at the next picture. What is it? It's a button, and you can see this type of buttons on your shirts. So what is it? It's a button. Look at the next picture. What is it? Hanger. You can hang your clothes in cupboard on this hanger. You can use this hanger to hang clothes in cupboard or somewhere else. After hanger, we will recognize one more picture. What is it? Kurta shalwar. Look at this picture. What is it? Do you wear kurta shalwar, or you like to wear kurta shalwar? Yes, we wear kurta shalwar. So what is it? Kurta shalwar. Come to the next picture. What is it? Yes, it's a sleeve of a shirt or a frock. What is it? Sleeve. Look at the picture. What is it? Sleeves. So sleeves. So let's repeat it again. First picture is of pagdi, next collar, cuff, button, hanger, kurta shalwar and sleeve. So today we have recognized first half of page number 10. After revising it one or two more times, you will say Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today we are going to do slot 2, 1000 picture book, task of day 3 and 4. We will recognize some pictures on page number 10, second half. So open your 1000 picture book, page number 10, and the topic is things we wear. In previous lecture we have learned some things which we wear, and now we are going to learn some more things which we wear. Come to the next picture. What is it? It's a pocket. What is it? Pocket. You can keep your money or keep some other things in your pocket. And look at the next picture. What is it? Sherwani. Sherwani is a dress of boys. Sherwani is boys dress. What is it? Sherwani. It's your formal dress. You can wear on different events or functions. So what is it? Sherwani. Come to the next picture. What is it? Sunglasses. Do you wear sunglasses when you go outside in sunlight? Yes, we should wear sunglasses when we go in sunlight. Look at the next picture. Khussa. Do you wear khussa? Yes, it's a khussa of a boy. Look at the next type of shoes. What is this? Peshawari chappal. What is it? Peshawari chappal. Look at the picture. What is it? Peshawari chappal. And boys used to wear Peshawari chappal. Look at the next picture. What is it? Swimming goggles. Do you wear swimming goggles? Do you like to swim? And when do you wear swimming goggles? Yes, in summer when you swim in a pool or somewhere else, then you wear swimming goggles. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a zip. It's a part of your clothes. What is it? Zip. So let's repeat it. First picture is of pocket, sherwani. Next is sunglasses, khussa, Peshawari chappal, swimming goggles, and last picture is of zip. So students, now you will find the things which you wear in summer. Okay, these are all the things which we wear, but you will tell me the things which you wear in summer. So first of all, here is kurta shalwar, which we wear in summer because it is comfortable or light clothes, so we wear kurta shalwar in summer season. And next picture is of sunglasses. We use sunglasses to avoid sunlight or sun rays, so we use sunglasses in summer season. And Peshawari chappal, we also wear, boys used to wear Peshawari chappal in summer season. It is a type of shoes for summer, so we wear Peshawari chappal in summer. And one more thing, swimming goggles. When you go for swimming, you wear swimming goggles, and mostly you go for swimming in summer season. So these are the things which you wear in summer. This was your task. After completing your task, say Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, students. Today we are going to start slot 2000 picture book, task of day 5 and 6. We are going to recognize some pictures on page number 12, first half. So open your book, 1000 picture book, and page number 12. We will recognize pictures on first half. And your topic is in the house. We will recognize the names of, we will recognize the things which we find in our homes. So look at the picture. Yes, first part is of bathroom. Which picture is this? It is a picture of bathroom, and here we will recognize some things which we have in our bathrooms. So look at the first picture. What is it? It's a rug. It's a rug on the floor which is in front of the bathtub. So it is a rug. And look at the next picture. What is it? It's a toilet. It is a toilet. These things we can find in bathroom. And what else we can find in bathroom? Look at the picture. Yes, here is a mirror on the wall, and here is a wash basin also, and a tap also, a curtain, bathtub. These all things you can find in your bathroom. So look at the next picture. It's a picture of your bedroom. And what we have in our bedroom? Look at the picture. Yes, here is a bed. What is it? It's a bed. Bed is in your bedroom. And what is on the bed? Here is a mattress on the bed. What is on the bed? Mattress. Here are some more things on bed. Let's find these things and recognize them. Here is a pillow. Pillow is also on the bed. And what else is on the bed? Yes, here is also a blanket. What is it? Blanket. Bed, pillow, blanket, and mattress. So let's find some more things in the bedroom. Here is a cupboard. What is in the bedroom? A cupboard. And you can hang your clothes, keep your clothes in cupboard. And here is a fan also in the bedroom. What is it? It's a fan. Here is a fan also. So we have recognized bathroom things and the things which we have in our bedrooms. So let's repeat these things which we have in our house. Yes, first of all, rug, toilet, mirror, wash basin, tap, bathtub, curtain. Now come to the bedroom area. Bed, mattress, pillow, blanket, cupboard is also here, and a fan also. It was our task of these 2 days. Rest of the things we will recognize in our next lecture. So revise this lecture or revise these things, and after revision you will say Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to start 1000 picture book slot 2 task of days 7 and 8. We will recognize pictures on page number 12 second half. So open your 1000 picture book page number 12 and your topic is in the house. We are going to recognize the things or pictures which you can find in your house. In previous lecture you have recognized things in washroom, a bathroom or in bedroom. Now we are going to recognize or learn the names of things which you can find in your living room. So let's start. Look at the first picture. What is it? Yes, it's an armchair. What is it? It's an armchair. You can sit in it. So what is it? Armchair. It has two arms. So it is armchair and it is comfortable to sit. Look at the next picture. What you can find in your living room? It's a mirror. What is it? It's a mirror. Now come to the next picture. What is on the wall? Yes, here is a frame on the wall. Yes, can you see this colorful frame? Yes, it is on the wall. And what else is here? Here is a sofa. Sofa is also in the living room. And what is on the sofa? Can you find something on sofa? Yes, here is a newspaper. You can read newspaper while you are sitting in the living room. And what is on the table? Here is a vase which is in the living room. Here is a bookcase also. And there are different books in this bookcase which you can read. And what is on the floor? Yes, here is a carpet. Here is a carpet. What is it? What is on the floor? Carpet. Here is a radio also. Can you find radio in this picture? Yes, here it is. Here is a radio in the living room. And what else in the living room? We have television in our living room. Do you have television in your living room? Yes, television is in the living room. Now what is it? It's a video recorder. What is it? Video recorder. And telephone. What is it? The last picture is of telephone. We have telephones in our living rooms. Okay students, can you tell me when do we use fan? As you have recognized fan in bedroom, so when do we use fan? Yes, we use fan in summer season. Do we use fan in winter season? No, we use it in summer season. When do we use fan? In summer season. So students, revise this page 2 or 3 times, and after completing your work you must say Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, now we are going to start 1000 picture book slot 2 task of day 9. We will revise page number 10. And what was the topic on page number 10? Things we wear. So open your 1000 picture book page number 10. We have already recognized these things, but today we will revise them again. So let's start. Look at the first picture. What is it? Pagdi. What is it? Pagdi. Next picture is of collar. What is it? Collar. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a cuff. It's a cuff. What is it? Cuff. And look at the next picture. Button. What is it? Button. Next picture is of hanger. What is it? Hanger. And what is the next picture? Yes, kurta shalwar. And what is after kurta shalwar? Here is a picture of sleeve. What is it? Sleeve of a frock or of a girl's dress. Next picture is of pocket. What is it? Pocket. Next picture is of sherwani. What is it? Sherwani. And what is after sherwani? Here is a pair of sunglasses. What is it? Sunglasses. Next picture is of khussa. And what is the next picture? It's a Peshawari chappal. What is it? Peshawari chappal. And next picture is of swimming goggles. What are these? Swimming goggles. And last picture is of a zip. What is it? Zip. So students, revise it 2 or 3 times more, or you can watch previous video for the revision, and after completion of your work you will say Alhamdulillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to start 1000 picture books, slot 2, task of day 10, and we will revise page number 12. And what was the topic of page number 12? In the house. So open your 1000 picture book, page number 12, and we are going to recognize things which we have in our house. Our topic is in the house. So we have already recognized or learned the names of these things. Now we will revise them. First of all, revise the things which we have in bathroom. Look at the picture: rug, toilet, mirror, wash basin, bathtub, tap, and curtain. Let's revise the things in bedroom: bed, mattress, pillow, blanket, cupboard, fan. And now we will revise the things in living room: armchair, mirror, frame, sofa, newspaper, vase, and we have a bookcase in our living room, a carpet, a radio, and television, video recorder, and a telephone. So these are the things which you can find in the house, in different areas of your house. So students, revise it 2 or 3 more times, and after revision you will say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.